now. Let me warm you up.
Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food vlog. Now let's start making on how to make the easy banana bread toast. Tastes like churros. For the procedure, we need 10 pieces of ripe bananas. Remove the skin and put the bananas in a bowl. Now slice the bananas in small pieces. For the next step, preheat the pan in medium heat. When the pan is already hot, put the 40 grams of unsalted butter, mix it until it melts. When the butter is already melted, add the sliced banana, mix it well until it simmers and bubbling. When it's already simmer, now add the 150 grams of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and continue mixing. Mix it for 3 to 5 minutes until all ingredients are combined. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Continue mixing until it becomes sticky or a smooth texture or it becomes a banana paste. Now transfer in a bowl, let it cool and set aside. For the next step, we need 1 whole of loaf bread. Remove from the plastic and remove and slice the edge of the bread. Always remember, be careful of using knives. Now use a rolling pin or a bottle to flatten the loaf bread. Now, beat 1 medium white egg. For the next step, get 1 slice of bread, fill up with a banana mixture, then glaze the egg to the edge of the bread, then roll it. Now do the same procedure. Get 1 sliced bread, fill up with the banana mixture, glaze with the egg and roll the bread. Now put in a chiller for 30 minutes. For the next step, preheat the pan in medium heat, glaze with the butter, put the banana roll, and cook it until become a golden brown. When it's already golden brown, turn it over to cook the both sides of our banana bread. When our banana toast is already cooked, transfer in a pan and cook the remaining banana rolls. Now do the same procedure. Add more butter to the pan, then cook the remaining bread rolls until become a golden brown. For the next step, mix 5 tablespoons of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Now roll the banana toast bread to the cinnamon mixture. For the additional flavor to our banana toast bread, you can use chocolate syrup or a strawberry syrup. Now, this is our easy, delicious banana bread toast. Tastes like churros. Serve it with a smile and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!